Hello and welcome to BLACKHIVE. If you are new to this channel, I empower small business owners with digital skills. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Let's get started. Hello, thank you for watching, and we're going to get started on how to create a survey using Teams. So in Teams, you go to New, you click on Forms on Excel. Then the screen will populate the form itself. You can change the theme. By changing the theme, you go to Themes. You can upload a background image that you want to show on your survey. And then also you can change a theme into the suggested themes and the colors. So as you can see that I've uploaded just a blank color for me. And you could start with your questions. You have to upload all the questions that you want asked on your survey, and if you are basing any questions on the other one, which is called branching, for example, if someone selects yes, then you want them to be asked a different question. After that, a follow-up question has to be different. But if someone says no into a certain choice, then they have to be redirected to a different question. So that is called branching. So you can follow along the screens and try and create your own survey just to practice if you have Teams. If you don't have Teams, I have another video which I am creating now, which I will alert you guys on how to create a survey using Google Forms, or how to use Google Forms. So you can check out that video if you don't have Teams. So do enjoy. I'm going to break it down to the branching as well, so you can see how to add branching. But have all your questions ready and create all your questions. So as you can see, I'm on number 2 now. I'm creating a rating that a person will rate the interaction from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. Then they can give us a star when they're replying to it. Then you can click on add branching on the three dots there. The branching is going to base questions as I've mentioned before. If, let's say, for example, a person says on a multiple choice they are selecting a no, then they have to be directed to a different question. So you can branch all your questions and actually say, after this one I want this question to go to this one. After a person has completed question number 5, then you can go to number 6, or you can skip number 6 and go to number 7. That's what branching is about. Once you've completed this, then you can preview your form to look at it and test it out and see what populates when you click on yes or when you click on no. And then also you can share the link. Just go into the settings on the top right corner of your screen, and then make sure that anyone can access this form. You click on that and you can share the link. That is the link that you will be sending to anyone that you want to complete the survey, and you will be getting the responses on your end when the person has completed the survey. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. It does wonders for my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.